Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Google Board with good settings. In this list, you will click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list, you will search about Google Board and you will enter. In this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Google Board. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.